In this modern era, you can buy anything with the click of a button, right? The truth is, when buying a car online, all existing options still require you to speak with someone in person or at a call center. That is, until now. WylerComplete is a 100% online car buying experience that lets you shop anytime, anywhere, 24/7, 365. Simple, safe, and secure, WylerComplete makes it easy to pick your car, calculate your payment, and buy your car, all in as little as 15 minutes. Say goodbye to lengthy processes and price haggling. WylerComplete provides transparent pricing and secure completion of paperwork and payments. And unlike other websites where you fill out a form and wait for someone to call you back, WylerComplete is a truly 100% online platform that allows you to purchase a new or used vehicle and have it delivered right to your door. Take as little or as long as you want to shop. And with a full manufacturer warranty on new cars and a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on used vehicles, you can rest easy. Buy your next new or used car 100% online with WylerComplete. Just look for the Buy 100% Online button and click to begin. WylerComplete. Simple, safe, secure.